Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 25 of 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life Series 11. Actually, there's 31 days this month, so you're going to get a bonus layout. I'm starting today with my Counterfeit Kit Challenge Kit that I put together. I put the video up. I had some computer problems, and so I think it went up on the 6th of this month. Anywho, I am using the Simple Life collection to start with, only because the photos are heavy in green outdoor photos. So I wanted to pull in something green, but also something with a mix. So I think I will use this as my background paper, this with the circles on it, and then this as my foreground paper. I pulled in this scrap that I had pulled in to put my photos on, and then I have pulled in some additional embellishments and stuff. So I have pulled in, let me get over here, this that I may use as my title. It says, "Oh Baby," and it's just chipboard, and it's got foam adhesive, lots of foam adhesive, so it's pretty dimensional. So we'll see. I've pulled in this label set. I want to try and get all three of those used up. Maybe not on this layout, but in this with this kit this month. Pulled in these Dear Lizzie label tags. What are they called? Accent and phrase stickers. Pulled in these snap stickers, and there's a whole ton of them in here, but y'all, I have used a ton of these. They have been in a kit before, and I've just used them and used them and used them. So even though it looks like I have a ton on this sheet, I really don't. I have used them like there's not a word left on that sheet of paper. But it looks kind of cool, and I thought I might use it as an accent and put it down and then put a photo or something next to it. I don't know. I've used all but a few of those, those I haven't even touched. I've used all but one of that and all but a few of those. So I pulled in some labels. These phrase stickers from Cosmo Cricket. These labels were from Freckled Fawn. These are leftovers from a Close to My Heart collection. Don't ask me from when or what collection. Yeah. I showed it in my introduction to the kit, but I have been doing some heavy-duty scrapbooking through the month, so I don't remember now. These are American Crafts, and again, I don't remember the collection, but I think there's a few on here that I may be able to use this time. And then I pulled in these Chit Chat stickers from 3 Bugs and a Rug. I have quite a few left on here, and if I can use one, that'll be more power to me. I pulled out these Cheeky Studio die cuts. They have lots of floral bits and pieces. And so I think I'm just going to try and use something from there. And then I pulled in some flatback pearls. I have this from the Michael's Dollar Spot. I have these from Eyelet Outlet, and these from Want to Scrap. So I have green, blue, and white. So let me show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 25. Let me show you what I have left over. The only thing that I did not use was this title. I really thought I was going to use it, but I didn't end up using it. Paper scraps. Here's what I have left over. I have the 2 border strips from the papers that I used, and then minimal scraps because I used everything. And I didn't fussy cut the background out of, or not fussy cut, gut the background of the green paper. I just left it as is because I have so much paper in this collection. I did use a couple of pieces out of the ephemera that I pulled. I did use each of the blings. I used a sticker from here, right off that front page. I used 2 stickers from here, which I'm ecstatic about. I used a couple of stickers from here. I used a couple of labels. I used a couple of stickers from here and from here. And that's it from that sticker pack. Oh, there's the other 2 that went with that one. From the Close to My Heart set, I used several stickers from. I actually pulled my title from here. It says Adventure, and then starts here, awaits you, whatever it was there. And then I pulled a label here and something else, a banner sticker there. There was a bird sticker on here that I fussy cut out, and the little swirlies from here, I used two of them, or the two that were here. And I also used a little bird. I think that was it off that sheet. And here is the layout that I created. Oh, almost forgot, I did my journaling with this at my Sharpie. And then I spruced up the title with this to give it a little extra dimension. So you can see I followed the sketch kind of. I wasn't crazy about that wraparound title up here. It just didn't feel right to me. So I ended up putting it here, and then I blended this cluster in down here with this bird, and then the floral bit there. But you can see that's quite a cluttered cluster. I put my adventures out there and you're so sweet down here. Those are the two tags off that Lily Bee. There's the bird. I put a little dot, a little flatback pearl, the tiny one, for an eye. And then here's the other cluster with my journaling. And there's those two chipboard pieces there. I'm glad this one is done. Another one for the album. I can't wait till tomorrow because I get to use this kit again, and I feel like I have something so brand new and so inspiring with having this new kit to work with this month, because of all the older kits that I had pulled in, and I've been plugging away at those all month. And it was basically down to scraps. This feels great to have the option to pull in so many full sheets of paper, y'all. Just amazing. Anywho, so this layout is done. Another one for the album. Stay tuned for close-ups at the end of the embellishment clusters if you're interested. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.